Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Very quickly, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time. In other words, I don't know what's coming next. So if you're open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader, how day trading can play out, then this will be a video for you. So I will go ahead and pause the software for now, and I will be back at the market open. I'm going to go ahead and pick up 3 contracts here at 10.25. See if we can get this thing to come down a bit. Looking like it's getting a bit top heavy here. Needs to get down below 683 though. So 683, that key level. See, it keeps bouncing off that area. There's the break. All right, I'm just hopping out there for basically, I mean, I made money, but essentially a break-even trade. Still may come down, but you know, I gave that thing plenty of time to come down, and it just putzing around up here too much. That was a counter trend trade, and you know, with those ones, the timing needs to be right on. And like I said, it still may come down. That's very well a possibility, but I gave that thing enough time for my plan. And it just wasn't working out. Even now, as I speak, it's still just putzing around. Who knows? Maybe at this point, is it getting ready to break back to the upside? I will put an order out there at 875 if this thing wants to come up some more. Try to get filled on the bid there. But yeah, overall, just didn't quite work out. But hey, you know what? You don't have to be perfect. You can still make some money. So, all right, well, first trade, pretty much just blah, but up $25. An update, I was right to get out because it did end up going to new highs. So played that one basically as best as I could, and turned out to be the right decision to make. Still I'm at 875. Going to change that to 850 now. But all right, I'll go ahead and pause. Wanted to give a quick update on it. Oh, I am in this one. I apologize. And out there for 125. That's funny. I need to. So I totally missed the entry point there, but I literally myself missed the entry point. I was in. I don't even know how long I was in for because I was off looking at something else on another monitor, and I looked back and I was already green, or I was already in. I was in the green. And I was going for 125, so as soon as I clicked my click the sell button to get out for 125, I was out. So at least you saw me get out of the trade, but again, I didn't even see it myself. But I am trying to get now at 775. So if this thing wants to come up some more, okay, I'm gonna have to go to 750 at this point. Things just feeling like it's got to get some sort of pullback at some point. Oh, 680's got a. So it just changed strike price now. So if this thing wants to come a bit more, I'll be ready at 1450. All right, well, I'll pause and I'll promise to try to keep a closer eye on it, see if I get filled there. But yeah, we'll see it happens. All right, going to try to pick up a put here at $20. Looking for it to come up a bit more and then get rejected back down. And then if I can get some confirmation of that, would look to add to the position, but want to start small and then give myself wiggle room to add. So we'll see if that plays out or not. All right, approaching 20. Again, I'm on the bid. All right, now if I get filled, it's going to shoot up beyond me. So I'm going to go to 2075 now. Again, just based on how the level 2s was acting at that point, if I was going to get it filled at 20, I feel like I could get filled at 1975. So we'll see if that plays out or not. I still wouldn't have been filled at 20, but I'll pause. All right, I have an order at 1550 here. So I'm on the best bid, was on the best bid, did not get filled though. Well, that's unfortunate. So close. All right, going to go down to 1475. Again, was temporarily on the best bid, just did not get filled. But if this move wants to continue, I'll be ready at 1475. All right, I'm watching 721 here as a short. In at 721.04. And let's see if this thing is at some kind of top here. So this thing's either going to roll over, come back down, or it's going to return back upwards and put me into the red, which is fine because, I mean, I'm up $150. So it's not like I'm potentially risking some sort of massive amount. Actually, a very modest amount. So like I said, this thing's either going to come down and give me a nice little trade, or it's going to take me out and, you know, like I said, put me red on the day. So I will pause because I'm not going to make you sit here and go through who knows how long of a potential consolidation, but I'll keep you up to date as the trade plays out. But that's the plan right now. Okay, I have an order at 317.50 represented by that green line. So if the price can hit that green line, it looks like it did, but needs to come down a bit more. How low did that candle go? Oh, 317.56. Oh, don't do that. Wow, within 6 cents before it bounced. Well, that was cruel. Now I can't even get out of this. Trying to take out a partial now just because, is this thing about to turn around on me here after it got oh so close to hitting where I wanted it to hit? All right, well, I'll pause and we'll see if this thing wants to come back down, or else if is this thing just going to completely just smack me in the face by saying, just kidding, we're going to give you your profit target. But no, never mind. So I'll go ahead and pause and look at this. Unbelievable. Oh, sometimes the market has a great sense of humor. The problem is the sense of humor is at your expense. Unbelievable. Right there. I mean, it got so close. It looks like it hit the green line, but it didn't. It got 5 cents within it. Oh, the market. Yeah, the market's a living, breathing thing. It has a sense of humor. But like I said, sometimes you are the butt of the joke. Oh, please come back down and hit my profit target, or I'm going to look really stupid posting this. Actually, no, I'm not going to look stupid. If anything, this will be a great example of sometimes the market, you are the butt of the joke. All right, well, if this goes over 724, I will be out. I'll go ahead and pause. Well, I have my stop loss in 724.01, and I'm going to need to walk away from the computer for a little bit. I have a couple things going on that I'll need to keep an eye on. So if I do miss the stop out, then so be it. But I just at least wanted to get it in there because I think we've captured the majority of it. Got very close, and then you saw the complete turnaround here. So yeah, it's acting like it wants to come back down. But I don't believe you anymore, Tesla. You've already been playing too many jokes with me, so I don't believe this red move right now. But like I said, I got to step away from the computer, so I'll go ahead and pause. Well, got back and stopped out. Unbelievable. All you can do sometimes is laugh. I mean, I thought I got out because in my mind, that hit the green line. I thought I'm good to go. Wait, I'm not out? Okay, well, close enough. And then, well, you saw the rest of it. So now down 146. So like I said, nothing huge, nothing big. Had that hit where I was out, I would have been up over $500 on the day, which is where I wanted to be. But it didn't, and thing just completely turned around on me. And that, like I said, sometimes sometimes the market's going to have its sense of humor. But the problem is you're the joke. It's the joke's on you. And instead of, getting all mad, because if you get mad, that can lead to revenge trading. Just laugh. Just laugh about it. That's what I'm doing. In fact, I'll probably just name this video "Ha Ha," just because, that's how I feel right now. So I am going to go ahead and wrap things up. If you appreciate transparency, I get it. This makes me look kind of silly. It makes me look like Clay. You should have just gotten out there. I shoulda. And I agree with you. I agree with you 100%. Problem is, these are live. I literally don't know what's coming next. And yeah, that's why hindsight trading is so easy. But like I said, I'm going to go ahead and wrap things up. All you can do is laugh. If you enjoy these live trade videos, if you appreciate that transparency, hit that like button, leave a simple comment below. Has anything like this ever happened to you? Let me know in the comment section. Do you have any funny stories like this? And I have a feeling I'm not alone because that's how things go. But again, yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for hanging out. And again, hit that like button and leave a simple comment down below. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.